AI is not just the future. It's already reshaping our lives in ways you won't believe. If you're curious about the wildest innovations and groundbreaking shifts in AI, you're in the right place. The most mind-blowing developments shaping the future of AI right now. So make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell because you won't want to miss what's coming next. AI in daily life. We're no longer in an age where AI is just a fancy concept. It's infiltrating our daily routines. From AI-powered personal assistants that learn our habits to smart home devices that anticipate our needs, AI is seamlessly integrating into every aspect of our lives. Imagine having a digital assistant that not only manages your calendar, but also predicts your moods and suggests activities to boost your day. Companies are racing to perfect these AI systems, making them more human-like, responsive, and deeply personal. The days of simple commands are over. We're entering an era where AI understands us on a whole new level. Generative AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a revolution. From creating art that stuns the world to generating hyper-realistic deep-fake videos, AI models like GPT-4 and DALL-E are pushing the boundaries of creativity. But it's not just about art. Businesses are using generative AI to draft legal documents, write code, and even develop new products. Imagine a world where AI not only creates but innovates, suggesting new solutions that human minds haven't even considered yet. This isn't sci-fi, it's happening now, and it's redefining what's possible. AI in healthcare. AI is making monumental strides in healthcare, transforming everything from diagnosis to treatment plans. AI-powered tools can now predict diseases like cancer years before symptoms appear, giving patients a head start in their fight. Imagine an AI system that analyzes millions of medical cases to create a treatment plan tailored precisely to your needs. The potential here isn't just about saving time, it's about saving lives. With AI, the future of medicine looks more personalized, predictive, and proactive than ever. Robots are no longer clunky machines stuck in factories. They're evolving into intelligent entities capable of performing complex tasks. From robots assisting in surgeries to those delivering packages in urban jungles, AI is empowering machines to adapt to real-world challenges. These AI-powered robots are designed to learn on the job, improving their skills and efficiency with every task. Imagine a future where robots not only work alongside humans but also learn and evolve, making our lives easier and safer. AI in entertainment. Hollywood and the entertainment industry are experiencing an AI revolution. Digital humans, AI-generated characters that look, act, and speak like real people, are starting to take center stage. These digital beings can star in movies, perform in concerts, and even interact with fans, blurring the lines between reality and virtual entertainment. Imagine a world where your favorite artist can perform in multiple cities simultaneously, or where actors can bring long-gone legends back to life in new films. It's a fascinating yet eerie glimpse into the future of entertainment. Ethical AI. But it's not all smooth sailing. With great power comes great responsibility. AI's rapid evolution raises significant ethical concerns. From privacy issues to the potential misuse of AI for deepfakes and misinformation, the darker side of AI is a growing concern. Experts are calling for stricter regulations and more transparency to ensure that AI is developed responsibly. It's a crucial balance, pushing innovation forward while safeguarding our rights and privacy. The road ahead. So, what's next for AI? Expect even more personalized AI, smarter robotics, and digital humans that feel almost real. But the biggest game changer? AI that learns and evolves on its own, blurring the lines between artificial and human intelligence. We're on the brink of an AI revolution that will reshape every industry, redefine our daily lives, and challenge what it means to be human. To explore these incredible shifts and keep you on the cutting edge of AI innovation, hit that like button, share this video, and let us know in the comments which AI development you think will change the world. See you in the next one.